chemistry. It's a vital ingredient in thousands of products people use every day. And public interest in the safety of chemical products and their manufacturing processes continues to grow. How can chemical manufacturers demonstrate the safety of its products and processes and build public confidence? Through responsible care, the chemical industry's world-class environmental, health, safety, and security performance initiative. Responsible care companies are industry leaders with a shared commitment to go beyond regulations to continuously improve their performance. Participation in responsible care is a condition of membership for companies that participate in the American Chemistry Council. A key pillar of responsible care is tracking and publicly reporting performance data. Companies annually report progress on 15 performance metrics, and results are reported transparently on ACC's public website. Responsible care companies consistently report worker safety rates that are 4 to 5 times better than the U.S. manufacturing sector as a whole and 3 times better than the business of chemistry overall. Have decreased distribution incidents even as the volume of chemicals shipped has grown. Have reduced hazardous releases to air, land, and water, and have reduced greenhouse gas emissions while also improving energy efficiency and increasing production levels. Responsible care companies' environmental health, safety, and security performance is verified through independent third-party auditors. All responsible care companies undergo headquarters and facility audits to certify performance practices in key areas. The Responsible Care Codes provide a framework to drive improvement in critical areas. Under the Responsible Care Product Safety Code, chemical manufacturers evaluate, demonstrate, and continuously improve the safety of their products, communicate chemical safety information along the value chain, and make this information available to the public. Responsible care companies are committed to safe operations. The Process Safety Code includes key practices to drive safety improvements in chemical manufacturing processes. Under the Responsible Care Security Code, companies work closely with federal, state, and local authorities to safeguard communities from terrorist attacks. Since September 11, 2001, ACC member companies have invested more than $17 billion to enhance facility security. The Responsible Care Partnership Program extends these efforts throughout the chemical industry supply chain. Together, ACC member and responsible care partner companies reduce risks associated with transporting, handling, and storing chemical products, and share best practices to enhance environmental, health, safety, and security performance. Companies also communicate and build relationships with local emergency planners and responders, government officials, and residents to address community concerns. All company employees play an important role in fostering these meaningful relationships. Guided by responsible care, chemical manufacturers play a vital role in ensuring that the business of chemistry is safer and more secure today, moving us to a more sustainable tomorrow.